Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description to bring a black stone bathroom design to life, offering a unique blend of luxury, drama, and surprising functionality. Dramatic elegance. Imagine a bathroom enveloped in the rich sophistication of black stone. This could be black granite, basalt, or soapstone, depending on the desired finish and texture. The dark stone creates a dramatic backdrop that instantly elevates the space, exuding a sense of luxury and spa-like serenity. Textural contrast is key to prevent the space from feeling too dark or overwhelming. Contrasting textures and pops of light are essential. Think light-colored vanities in white, cream, or a warm wood tone for a touch of nature. Wooden accents like open shelving or a built-in bath caddy add warmth and visual interest. Metallic touches for shine. Metallic accents add a touch of glamour and sophistication. Opt for gold, brass, or chrome for hardware on faucets, shower fixtures, towel racks, or cabinet pulls. These elements will gleam against the black stone backdrop. Strategic lighting design. Lighting plays a crucial role in a black stone bathroom. Task lighting is essential for grooming and makeup application. Utilize recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination. Add pendant lights over the vanity for focused task lighting, and consider sconces on either side of the mirror for a touch of symmetry and additional brightness. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the mood from bright and functional to a more intimate and relaxing atmosphere. Shower oasis. Black stone can create a stunning shower surround, especially when paired with a frameless glass shower door. Consider incorporating a niche or shelf made from the same black stone for a cohesive look and added functionality. Bathtub retreat. Optional. If you have a bathtub, consider a freestanding model in white or another contrasting color to create a focal point. A black stone deck or surround can further elevate the luxurious feel. Pops of color. Optional. While black and contrasting neutrals dominate, a touch of color can add personality. Opt for vibrant towels in emerald green or sapphire blue. A statement piece of artwork with pops of color on a light-colored wall can also add a touch of vibrancy. Overall vibe. This black stone bathroom design is a beautiful paradox, bold yet elegant, dramatic yet serene. It's a space that promotes relaxation and luxury, perfect for creating a spa-like experience at home. The contrasting elements ensure it remains visually interesting and avoids feeling too dark or heavy. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a black stone bathroom design for a unique and luxurious space. Sophistication and drama. Statement piece. Black stone creates a powerful and sophisticated look. It instantly elevates the bathroom to feel luxurious and spa-like, making it a great choice for those who prefer a dramatic and unique aesthetic. Timeless appeal. Black is a timeless color that never goes out of style. A black stone bathroom will remain chic and relevant for years to come. Design versatility and personalization. Neutral backdrop for creativity. Black acts as a neutral backdrop that allows you to experiment with various design elements. Light-colored vanities. Pops of color, metallic accents, and different textures can all be incorporated to create a personalized and stylish bathroom. Highlighting features. The dark canvas of black stone allows specific features to take center stage. This could be a luxurious freestanding bathtub, a statement showerhead, or unique hardware finishes. Unexpected benefits. Surprisingly easy to maintain. Black stone, particularly honed finishes, can be surprisingly forgiving of minor water spots and soap scum compared to lighter colored tiles or countertops. Durability and longevity. Black stone is a highly durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear in a bathroom environment. Many black stones are resistant to scratches, heat, and moisture. Additional considerations. Space requirements. Black stone can visually shrink a room. This design approach might be better suited for larger bathrooms with ample natural light. Lighting is crucial. Proper lighting is essential in a black stone bathroom to avoid a cave-like feel. Utilize a combination of recessed lighting, task lighting, and sconces to create a balanced and functional space. Maintenance needs. Certain black stones may require specific cleaning and sealing practices. Research the specific care requirements of your chosen stone to ensure it maintains its beauty. Overall, a black stone bathroom design offers a unique blend of sophistication, drama, and surprising practicality. It's a bold statement that creates a luxurious and spa-like experience at home, perfect for those who appreciate a unique and impactful aesthetic. Here's a roadmap to guide you through creating a stunning black stone bathroom that's both luxurious and functional. Planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Do you envision a sleek and modern black stone bathroom, a dramatic and luxurious spa retreat, or a surprisingly warm and inviting space with black stone accents? Browse design magazines, websites like House, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Create a mood board to visualize your desired look and feel. Consider how much black stone you want to incorporate and the overall experience you want to create. 2. Measure your space. Accurately measure your bathroom's dimensions. This will determine the amount of black stone material needed. The size and layout of your vanity, toilet, shower/bathtub, and ensure everything fits comfortably for optimal functionality. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Black stone can vary in price depending on the type chosen. Factor in the cost of materials, countertops, wall tiles, shower surround if applicable, professional installation, if applicable, new vanity, toilet, shower/bathtub, fixtures, lighting, flooring, and any additional features. Material selection and considerations. 1. Choosing black stone. Research different types of black stone like black granite, basalt, or soapstone. Consider their aesthetic qualities, durability, porosity, stain resistance, water resistance, and price point. Consult with a stone supplier or interior designer for guidance based on your budget, desired look, lifestyle needs, e.g., frequency of use, and how the surfaces will be used, e.g., countertops versus flooring. 2. Black stone application. Decide how extensively you'll use black stone. Consider black stone countertops, a backsplash, shower surround, floor tiles, or a combination. Remember, using black stone on all surfaces can be overwhelming in smaller bathrooms. Countering the darkness. 1. Light-colored vanity. Opt for a light-colored vanity in white, cream, or a warm wood tone to create contrast and prevent the space from feeling too dark and cave-like. Consider the reflectivity of the finish. Glossy white will reflect light the most. 2. Warm wood accents. Introduce warmth through textured wood elements. Think of open wooden shelving, a built-in bath caddy, or a wooden stool. Wooden cabinet hardware or a wood-framed mirror can also add a touch of warmth. 3. Metallic touches. Don't be afraid to use metallic accents on faucets, shower fixtures, towel racks, or cabinet pulls. Opt for gold, brass, chrome, or a brushed nickel finish for a touch of glamour and sophistication. These elements will add shine against the black stone backdrop. Lighting design. 1. Layered lighting scheme. Plan a layered lighting scheme to ensure a functional and inviting space. Utilize recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination. Add pendant lights over the vanity for focused task lighting. Consider sconces on either side of the mirror for additional task lighting and a touch of symmetry. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the mood as needed. 2. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows clear of clutter and using light filtering curtains instead of heavy drapes. Additional tips. Sample selection. Always order samples of the black stone you're considering to see how it looks in your existing lighting and with your chosen vanity color. Maintenance considerations. Each type of black stone has specific cleaning and sealing requirements. Learn about proper care techniques to ensure the longevity and beauty of your black stone features. Minimize clutter. Black stone can highlight clutter. Maintain a clean and organized bathroom to maximize the sophisticated and dramatic effect. Flooring choice. Black stone flooring can be dramatic, but consider the coldness and potential slipperiness. Explore textured tiles or area rugs for added safety and comfort. By following these steps and personalizing your vision, you can create a stunning black stone bathroom that is both luxurious and inviting. It will be a space that promotes relaxation and tranquility, while reflecting your unique style. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.